Ha ha ha.
Look at this. This is banana
Here we
tree.
are. We are at Salt
In the side
Springs
of
Resort.
the spring.
This spring is found in the middle of Ocala National Forest. And the water temperature is 72 degrees Fahrenheit or 22 degrees Celsius. Oh, it's 22. And those who claim that Florida is too hot in summer, this is the best place to go. So, what you're waiting for? Come on in. Come and
Oh.
enjoy this breathtaking natural beauty. And I've been here. I just tasted the water. It's just a little bit salty, Just when you go in the water, you cannot avoid